A regular carousel is way too boring for a zombie. A roller coaster is perfect for some zombie fun. Somebody get me out of here! Welcome to the beach club. Let's swim and relax. Clementina, you're looking great. Clemmy, I'll go swim. Watch our stuff. But Clementina is watching her friend, and a beach thief already took all his valuable things. Help! I'm drowning! Tin, here's a life ring. Thanks, Clemmy. There are eyes on here. Paint a pupil on a ping pong ball. Add a white highlight. Add veins with a red marker. Put a few balls with eyes in a torn clear swim ring. Wrap the hole with parchment paper and seal it with a flat iron. The ring is winking at me! Help! The thief already swam far away. These eyes are watching me. That's it. I give up. The beach thief turned out to be a real loser. Clemmy, thank you for saving me. It's so hot. I need to stay hydrated. Where's my zombie bottle? Make worms out of light clay. Attach them to a bottle. Press in rings on the worms with a modeling tool. Add drips of green hot glue. Pour Sprite with some green food coloring in the bottle. Tin, are you thirsty? No, Clemmy. These zombie drinks are not for me. Too bad. It gives me energy right away. This zombie drink brings me back to life. Wow, it's just like an energy drink. I'll have a sip from the magical zombie bottle. Oh no, I feel sick. Too much zombie energy. Help! Clementina is fast asleep. Let's wake her up with water. Ron, shoot! What's that? A water attack? Well, guys, watch out! You haven't met my zombie weapon yet! Coat a water gun with acrylic paint. Draw an eye in the center of a round detail. Add white highlights on the pupil. Draw veins with a red marker. Also draw different eyes all over the body. Coat the water container with dark acrylic paint. This water zombie gun has eyes everywhere! You can run, but you can't hide! Take that! Oh no! This is zombie water! It turns you into a zombie right away! Bye-bye, human consciousness! The friends were lucky. They fell right in the pool and quickly washed off the contagious water. Clemmy, let's have a summer photo shoot in a pool. Clementina put her legs in the water. Great! Let's Photoshop on some skeleton legs. You look amazing! Look, Clemmy, you look like your grandma. Awesome! I love it! Thank you, Tin! I'm hungry. Tin, let's order lunch. Okay, waiter! Bring us 2 salads. Thanks! Here's your order. Mmm, yummy! Fresh to death! Tin, would you like to taste my salad? Let's swap, okay? What do we have here? It smells weird. Clementina, how old is this salad? It tastes like dirt. I shouldn't have tasted this salad. Tin, you are so picky. Clementina is asleep again. Hey, Clemmy! Clementina! Are you asleep? Wake up! The zombie broke her neck! Zombies spend a lot of time at beauty salons, too. Tin is so tired of waiting. Here, I brought my friend's bones. Can you recreate my grandma's hairstyle from this pic? I want to look like her. Make little bones out of polymer clay. Separate the ends of the bones with a modeling tool. Put in a little jump ring. Make a few bones like this and bake them following the package instructions. The hairstylist is making thin zombie braids and adds in little bones. Secure the end of the braid with hairspray. It's zombie style! Well done! Thanks! Hey, Tin, wake up! Check out my bone braids! Aren't they cute? Just don't eat them. It's just an accessory. Tin, let's go to a haunted house. It's gonna be fun. A real zombie! Help! This is creepy. Hey, Tin, look who's here. Meet my grandma. Go say hi to her. Gosh, your grandma's arm fell off. Come on, Tin, come closer. She doesn't bite anymore. And don't be scared of her skeleton arms. Grandma just wanted to share her selfie stick with you. Wrap a selfie stick in light clay. Cut out a hole for a button. Shape the ends of a bone. Make a few more bones on top. Shape a palm on a selfie stick. Make separate bones and connect them to make fingers. Glue the fingers to the palm. Wait for the clay to harden and color the whole thing with white acrylic paint. Add dark shades. Oh, it's just a selfie stick. How creative! Let's take a selfie with Grandma. Grandma, smile! Oh, she winked! Ah, it's creepy! Tin, don't be afraid. I can show you an old picture of us if you want. Look, Grandma is very young here. You look a lot like her. Clementina, let's get out of here right now. Can I have one brain-flavored super tasty zombie lollipop? Thanks! Mix 10 ounces of sugar and 2 ounces of water in a pot. Add 2 3/4 ounces of corn syrup. Cook the mixture and add red food coloring to it. Pour the caramel in a brain mold. Put in candy sticks. Wait for the caramel to harden and take the candy out. Connect the two halves of the caramel brain using melted caramel. Clemmy, I have a gift for you. Enjoy! I love these brain lollipops. Yummy! Tin, look! Are those your teeth? Clemmy, you lost something. Put your dentures back in. No? Ew! Clementina, when was the last time you brushed your teeth? Clementina, you are looking great. Clementina is sad. There's a hole in her t-shirt. Tin! I have nothing to wear. I need to go shopping right now. Here we are at a zombie store. Pick something out, Clemmy. This looks good on the mannequin. It's not a mannequin! Welcome to our world of zombie fashion. We have the latest Afterlife collection, Summer 2020. Skeleton prints are a classic trend, and this top is perfect for you. Try it on. Draw heart-shaped zombie hands on a white top. Color the drawing with fabric paint. Whoa! This top looks so good on you! It looks like you died just for this top. It's a zombie-like from me. Tin, can we please buy these zombie slippers? I like them a lot. Hang on, Clemmy. It's that sales assistant again. I'm sure we can find better summer shoes. Here, check out these zombie flip-flops. Sketch toes on flip-flops. Cut out the sole along the line. Hot glue press-on nails to the toes. Color the sole with green acrylic paint. Coat the nails with red polish. These zombie flip-flops will make my feet look nice. You look zombie-tastic! What a great shopping trip! Let's pay and leave. Tin, hang on! Look at this mind-blowing hat! I want a brain like this, too! Color a straw hat with fabric paint. Create a brain pattern on the crown. Define the contours with a black fabric marker. Decorate the hat with a black ribbon. Fine, we're buying the brain hat, and that's it! Yay! I love my new hat! Did you like our zombie on vacation? Then comment below and tell us what item from the zombie lifestyle you like the most. Clothes, a hat, a life ring, or a bottle with worms. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new zombie ideas from Troom.